Comwell Exothermic Welding One-Time System designed for easy use, convenient, and safe use, providing high-quality weld connections. For the use of one-time system first, the user should inspect the packaging to verify the following details. Additionally, users should review the product manual by scanning the QR code located on the side of the package. Once the package is open, kindly check that all components are in good condition before the welding process. Before starting the welding process, users must wear protective gear to ensure their safety during operation. Step 1. Prepare the conductor for the exothermic welding process as follows. Wrap the conductor with tape or a binding wire before cutting it. Then, carefully use sharp cutting pliers to cut the conductor at the desired point, ensuring the wires remain intact and do not separate. Remove the tape or binding wire and clean the conductor with a cable clean brush. Step 2. Assemble the butane torch with butane gas. Then use it to remove moisture around the conductor and ground rod, ensuring that there is no moisture at all. Step 3. Assemble the conductor and ground rod by positioning the conductor and ground rod at the center to ensure a weld that's securely bonding together. Each model of the one-time system will have a different assembly method with the ceramic mold.
Step 4. Place the steel disc at the center inside the ceramic mold, ensuring it fits to prevent the metal powder. Next, pour metal powder onto the steel disc, leaving only the starter powder at the bottom of the tube. After that, close the cover, then squeeze the bottom of the tube to pour the starter powder onto the over, allowing some to fall into the ceramic mold. There are two options for ignition. Be cautious. For safety, after igniting the exothermic welding, keep a safe distance from the welding area after ignition. 4.1 Option 1. Use a flint igniter to ignite the starter powder directly. 4.2 Option 2. Insert the Comwell Ignite strip at a 45-degree angle at the center of cover and use a flame to ignite the end of the strip. Please be cautious. For safety, after igniting the exothermic welding, keep a safe distance from the welding area after ignition. Step 5. Then, allow the reaction to complete and cool down. Finally, break and open the ceramic mold, then inspect the weld. Connection must be completely bonded. Storage for one-time. The one-time product should be stored in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from moisture and fire-prone areas, to maintain the metal powder in good condition. Should you have any inquiries, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at email, export@comwell.com, and that is on the screen.